How to enable Face ID on Citibank. Launch the Citibank mobile app on your phone. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or the menu, usually represented by 3 lines or dots in the top left corner. Depending on your app version, you may find this under the Settings or directly under Security. In Security section, you will see an option Citi Trusted Identity. There you can find Manage Citi Trusted Identity option and click on it. Look for an option that says Face ID or Biometric Authentication. Toggle it to On to enable Face ID as your preferred method of authentication. You may be asked to authenticate via your password or other security measures before enabling Face ID. Once activated, you can use Face ID to log in to your Citibank app securely. Thanks for watching.